Hello friends, welcome back to CADCAM station, and today in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can use level sets and clamp feature using Powermill. And as you can see here, I have imported a set of model into my project, and these are the two models, and this features the level set helps you to control the model in whatever the way you want. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the model, and now I have to create the level. So you need to go to the level set and clamp and create level. So now I have created level 1. So now right click on the level 1 and activate it. So after activating your level, I need to click, or you need to click, the surfaces which you want to add into the selected level. After selecting it, right click and acquire selected model geometry. Now you are all done. Now you can hide your selected surface or the model, or you can control the model in whatever the way you want. So I hope you found this video tutorial or kind of tip very helpful. So please consider subscribe, like and share with your friend. Keep watching CADCAM station, signing out for now.